Hi, if you got a Hisense TV and want to factory reset it before selling it or getting rid of it in any other way, or just for fun, this is how you do that. Please bear in mind that everything in terms of settings etc. will be gone after this procedure is finished. The TV I'm using here is a Hisense U7K, however the procedure is basically the same on all Hisense TVs using their VIDAA operating system. Now, to start, begin by turning the TV on if it isn't on already. Then go as far left as you can to access the quick menu. In here, select Settings, followed by Support, and then Reset to Factory Settings down the bottom. If you're keeping the TV and want to save any existing channel setups and favorite channels etc., you also get the option to do so here. After that, just click on Restore, enter the code displayed on the screen, and then the factory reset is underway. The actual reset process only takes a few seconds, after which the TV then boots up with the language selection screen. From here, just turn the TV off and you're done. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching, bye!